Alright. We have this smart car that we just picked up. I want to show you how. There's the Orc Orbiter in there. There's a bag that we have all of our cleaning chemicals and spotting tools and stuff with. We have a couple of sprayers here. And that's the dolly that he uses to cart that thing around. And the handle.
It just goes right through the seats.
Yeah, the handle of the machine, you just stick it through there. And it just sits there. Once you get in the car, you can kind of lift it up or move it a little bit if you need to. And it's fine. You got GPS in the dash to get you to where you're going. And we actually have room. We don't have it out here right now, but we've got room. If we put this little hand cart behind the seat, we've got room to carry the steamer in there as well. So there's actually quite a bit of room in these, in a little car this size. And we're showing this because we want to show people that just because you may have a small vehicle doesn't mean you can't go out and work.
Clean carpets.
Yeah, you can go out and start a little carpet cleaning service or cleaning business, and you don't really need a huge vehicle, because as you can see, this car is not very big at all, and both of us are over 6 foot and pushing 250, 260, and we can fit in it. So, so there's
and it's comfortable.
Yeah, it's plenty
go
comfortable.
100 miles in it, but it's comfortable.
No, and so you can have
15 miles to a job. It's no big
deal.
deal.
So 40 miles a gallon, and you can go work, and you don't need. See, this is our old van we sold to a neighbor, and he still hasn't moved it or anything. But this is a 1976 van, and we used to use that quite a bit.
Yep.
But let me back up, and you can see that there's quite a big difference in size between those two vehicles. And we also use this that black Chrysler there. We use that sometimes. That's a neighbor's car, and we just give them a little bit of money to use their vehicle. That works out fine, but we use this a lot too. But that way you guys can see kind of what we do and how we fit it all in. And it's a snug fit, but it works.
It works perfect.
Oh, and by the way, we have I'll put a link in the video description if you want to buy your own 2011 Smart Fortwo. They sell them on Amazon, and they're still good cars. They're a lot of fun to drive. They're peppy, and you'll really enjoy it. So check the link and go check one out and put it on your list. Anyway, that's all we wanted to show you real quick, so thanks.